Facebook Audience Insights lets you know more about your users so you could better target them and give them the information that they typically would engage with better. And how to get there is just to go on your business manager actually and go to all tools. Under all tools, you get to see Audience Insights here, which when you click it, it pops up again. And here you can see it gives you the opportunity to choose an audience, whether it's everybody on Facebook or people connected to your page. In this instance, it'll be people connected to our page because we want to know more about them. So we click that. And here you can see we have the different options. You have how you create your audience, the United States, age, gender, all men, interests that they can actually pick. But in this instance, we're going to our pages because we want to find out what's going on a page. We'll pick what's shaking right now. And let's take it away here, because now we're not limiting to a country. And now you could see what we have here. We have the demographics, men and women, our relationship status, single, in a relationship, engaged. So we sort of know who's looking there, education level. This lets us tailor our content. We have page likes, which when you look here, the top categories are the categories your audience will likely engage with based on Facebook's assessment. And you could also scroll down here and look at their relevance. That's the pages that are most likely to be relevant to your audience based on affinity, page size, and the number of people on your audience who already like that page. And here's the affinity. It's how likely your audience is to like a given page compared to everyone on Facebook. So now you can see here all that information. When we go to location, it's quite eye-opening. Also, we have top cities, top countries, and top languages. As you can see, top languages here lets you know 78% of selected audience users, 29% of Facebook users, and then also the activity, the pages they've liked, the ones they've commented on in the last 30 days, posts they've liked, posts they've shared, promotions redeemed, and ads clicked. As you can see, ads are really, really huge. So this is Facebook Audience. It's a quick overview on Facebook Audience Insights. If you are looking to understand your own audience more and the kind of content that you can give them and provide for them. And here it is here again, top categories that they would likely engage with and sort of like how they will engage with them. The psychology behind that is right here. I hope this helps in just having a quick understanding on how Facebook Audience Insights works to understand those that are following you and to understand your audience.